Your time is now. It's not in the past and it's not in the future. It is right now, the present. I'm going to read you a paragraph from A New Design for Living by Ernest Holmes. The only time we will ever have is now, the immediate moment. The question that naturally arises then is how wisely are you using it? Are we retreating into the memory of the past, daydreaming into the future? We do not want to encumber this eternal moment of ours with vague dreams of tomorrow, nor clutter it up from the past. We can neither live in the past nor in the future, but the thought of the past and the future can so color and contaminate our emotional and mental outlook that our reaction to the moment, each moment we have, will be a thing of despair rather than joy. So we need to have this moment, the present moment, be the kingdom of heaven right here and now. I hope you will join me this Sunday as we talk about how to live an awesome life, how to bring the kingdom of heaven here and now. You can do it, I can do it. We're going to talk about the different ways that we can take away from the past only what we want. And we can bring into the future our thoughts of what we want to experience here and now. Because we know the truth of who we are, and we are one with the essence of spirit. And through that, we can bring heaven on earth, here and now, but only in the present moment. So please join me this Sunday, Unity Bay Area, Houston. You can find our links below to catch our service online through Facebook or YouTube. So I look forward to seeing each and every one of you there. You have a great day. Live in the present moment.